How do I start a course? From My Home, select the course you wish to start and click the Open Course button. This will open the course in a new tab. Once your course is open, you can move through the slides by selecting the Next or Previous buttons. You can also move freely by selecting the slides to the right. You cannot move around freely unless you have already viewed the slide. When you have read through the course, you can then attempt the course quiz. Simply answer the questions and click the Submit button to move to the next question. When you have completed a quiz, you will be presented with your quiz results. If you have passed the course, you can choose to review the quiz to see your questions and answers, or view a detailed report of the entire quiz. If you have not passed, you can also attempt the quiz again if you want. Remember, you cannot re-attempt a quiz you have already passed. When you have completed a quiz, an email will be sent to you with your details, the details of the course, and the results for the quiz and each question in your most recent attempt. If you cannot find your report, make sure to check your spam or junk folders.